Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kashish, and on this channel today we are going to talk about real skincare, real beauty myths, honest experiences, no fear and no fake claims. Today we are going to talk about one question that everybody asks me. Does really shaving your face make the growth thicker and even more darker? So let's see. So let's finally clear this popular beauty myth once and for all. So the myth is that many people believe that once you start shaving your hair with this face razor, the hair grows thicker and even more darker. That is why many people are also very scared to try a face razor. Let me tell you the truth that the truth is that face razors do not make the facial hair thicker or darker at all. This is my personal experience and I personally shave my face. Shaving only cuts the hair at the surface of your skin. It does not affect your hair roots, follicles and your hormones at all. So don't need to worry about it. Let me tell you my personal experience. I personally shave my face once in every 2 weeks. I personally do it. And honestly, my facial hair has not grown darker or thicker even after shaving my face. It grows back as same as before and nothing changes at all. So I'll tell you one reason that why your hair feels thicker after shaving. After shaving, the hair grows back with a blunt edge instead of a soft tip. So that is why you feel that your facial hair is growing darker and thicker. So that is why it feels a bit rough, but the hair is actually the same as it was before. So guys, let me tell you the benefits of face shaving. So basically, it removes peach fuzz, makes skin very smooth instantly, and after shaving also you can apply the makeup. That the makeup also it really the brush moves so smoothly on your face rather than when you have facial hair. It bees a bit rough on your face as you're applying your foundation or anything, but once you shave, that is completely normal and the brush moves very smoothly on the face, and that is basically my personal experience, like which I go through every time. And the last one is the skincare, like whenever you apply any sunscreen, any moisturizer, any face serum, it blends very well and it absorbs very well on the skin. Let me tell you quickly the do's and don'ts. So the do's are that you have to use a clean and sharp razor. So can you see this razor? You have to use this type of razor for your face. How you have to shave it, guys, you have to shave it basically gently like this in the downward stroke. Just like this. How am I shaving currently? Like always keep the movement downwards, just like that. It should be just like that. If the hair growth is straight like that, even if you have to shave it like that in the downwards growth. Wherever you can see hair growth, you have to just shave it just like that. And now the main thing are the don'ts. So avoid shaving it on the acne. So can you see guys, I have got this acne. So never pop this acne or shave over here, because otherwise it will cause ingrown hair on the pimple and it will cause irritation as well. So never shave your face on your acne, never. Keep it like that only, let the acne heal, and after the acne heals you can shave it. Second don't is that you should not shave frequently, that never shave your face on daily basis. Always shave your face once in 2 weeks. Let the hair grow properly, and once the growth is even, then you can shave it. Or if you keep on shaving frequently, you will get a lot of ingrown hairs, and that grows from inside. Like it doesn't grow well, it grows from inside, so you will be having a lot of problem and lot of ingrown hairs. So keep this in mind, guys. Now this is really, and this was my personal and honest review, that never face shaving never grows your hair darker or thicker. So whoever gets scared to shave their face, they should not worry, and they can shave their face every 2 weeks, once in every 2 weeks. So face shaving does not increase your facial hair growth. It is completely a myth that the hair grows thicker if you like you should always wax, you cannot shave and all. It's nothing like that. You surely can shave once in every 2 weeks, and it is completely a myth that you cannot shave. This is the fact. If this video helped you, so don't forget to like and share. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more honest skincare talks or a little bit of fashion, lifestyle, beauty products reviews. If you want more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This motivates me a lot, as I have said before also. So please, as you watch my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first one to notify. Do comment below that even you had this myth that if you shave your face, the hair growth will even get more darker and thicker. Do comment your reviews in this video too. So see you in my next video. Bye bye.